So we're back again, third time lucky. You've obviously been following the progress. We had an issue with the cylinder head. The head's now back from being repaired. Tom Oldham Engine's done a cracking job. We've changed a few things up to see if we can fix this problem. So we're now going to get the cylinder head back on the car, get the car back running, because we're only, I think, 3 days off going for a final check-up on the dyno, and then I think another 6-7 days after that we're at Santa Pod doing a shakedown with the car. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go through the fault we had to show you a little bit more so you can understand, you know, for the people who watched the previous video, who doesn't quite understand what we were saying about the springs smashing the valves against the seat and having the issue with the spring pressures. So let me show you that, and then we'll go straight into a time lapse of putting the cylinder head back on, and fingers crossed by the end of play we'll have the car back up and running and we can do some tests just before the dyno. Keep fingers crossed. Let's follow this journey as usual. So this 21 is a cylinder head valve, and this is what we think has caused the problem with going down on compression. Now, as I showed in the previous video, we think it's to do with spring pressure rate because it seems to be losing the edge of the valve. Now, we don't know whether that's due to heat or whether it's due to spring pressure. So with the new cylinder head that we've just finished off, we are going to try and eradicate them. So let me try and show you what we're seeing so you can understand it a little bit more. So obviously the valve, straight edge and a light. So let me just spin this round so I can hold everything, guys. So obviously the valve, and if you look, you can just see the light shining through. Now that's obviously the edges are slightly lifted and mushroomed, which they shouldn't be. They should be completely flat. You should not be able to see any light through there. It should be completely flat. So obviously what we're saying is, when that's smashing against the seat, the springs are too strong and it's lifting this edge, which is what we think is causing the problem. Hence, removing the second spring and seeing if that helps it. We've also changed a bit of design on the valve seats, but we don't know if that's going to work to try and disperse some heat. So we're just trying an error. This is, like I say, a bit of development work. Let's see how we get on. us done, heads back on, all back together, all running. There's a few small jobs I've got to do between now and mapping, run up to temperature, drop the oil, a very good once over, but to finish the end of play today, everything's looking good. I'm super happy, it's back together. We're one step forward to go into this track day which is coming up. Everything's looking good. So yeah, also I've been trying to video this one on my GoPro Hero 7 to see what it comes out like, to try and get a bit better quality for you guys, see how it comes out. I don't know, give me some feedback. I'm just trying to get everything a little bit better as I go along. As I say, I'm learning, I'm new to all this, but I'm trying. So, thanks for following, like and subscribe, and fingers crossed, we'll see you on the dyno, third time lucky.